Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. This is another wig in my affordable wig series. This wig is only $101 and that's before coupons or anything. So this should be a deep wave wig, so we're gonna unbox this together. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. I am doing like a little mini series on my channel where I'm ordering $100 wigs on AliExpress. So I'm going to read off the specs of this wig for you all. So like I said, this is the 13x4 HD lace wig. It's what they say it is on the website, of course. 26 inches and 180% density. I have the 180% density one, and the 180% density one is 107, you guys. And the 150% density is 101. So that's $6 more for thicker hair, you guys. I'm sorry, I said that wrong in the intro. But so it's always confusing with AliExpress vendors because they put water wave and deep wave in the title of the wig. Like it's listed water wave and deep wave, but we're gonna unbox this together. Let's go ahead and open it because I know y'all are like, Brittany, can you just open the wig? So okay, let's open it. This is in that pink bag again I tell you all about. So it's from the United States, so it took no time to come. So they all have this pink bag, and then of course they put it in this black like dust bag or whatever, and it came with the paper, so if you give them 5 stars you get $20 off your next order. But let's go ahead and unbox this hair. Let's see what we're working with. I prefer a looser curl. I really don't like deep wave hair, so we're gonna see what we're working with. Like I prefer my wig a little loose. Okay, this looks pretty. Oh, in the back, so in the back it has a wig cap. Okay, that's it. That's it, you guys. It has a wig cap. So let's look at this wig. Okay, this is like a kinky curlier hair. So this is pretty. This is really pretty. So let me show you all. It is like a tighter curl. So I would say this is more deep wave than water wave in my opinion, right? This is like deep wave. But ooh, okay, I like the way this lace is moving. It does seem pretty thin. I do like just the way the lace itself falls. But let's go ahead and turn this wig inside out. I was gonna say something, but I forgot. But let's turn this wig inside out. So here is the lace. You get a lot of parting space in the middle, even though this is like that 13x4 where they give you a little less on the side, but that's a nice amount of parting space in the middle. I would say that's nice. Let's compare it to the wig I unboxed yesterday on my channel. Let's compare it. Okay. So this is the other $100 wig I unboxed on my channel. So I will say, of course, this lace is thinner. This is a body wave wig. I'll link this wig too if you want it. Huh. I feel like, let me look at it myself. Okay, actually, yeah, this one actually gives you a little more space than this one. My bad, you guys, but I do like the parting space on this. And I kind of been wanting to do like a deep wave or water wave style where I just kind of slick it back and just flip it over instead of actually parting the hair. I kind of want to do that. But let's get into this actual curl pattern. Like the curls are super tight. But whenever I wear my deep wave hair, I always put a lot of conditioner in it, a lot of gel, just so it can have that really wet look and the hair will stretch a little bit. But it is really pretty. It is pretty. I know when I actually put my product in it because I'm a loose wave girly. If you like tighter curls, this is the curl for you. But I am a looser wave girly. A nice thick hairline. Let me show you all the hairline. It's pretty thick. Of course, you're gonna have to pluck it, but I like for it to be as thick as possible so I can have like a start. I can make it whatever I wanna be. Like sometimes I like a good widow's peak in the middle or something. Like I like a nice thicker hairline. But this hair is really pretty, really cutesy. It does have combs on the inside, a comb right here, a comb right here, and a comb right here. Oh, and I forgot. So this vendor also offers up to 40 inches, you guys. So if you do still want 40 inches, they have it. I don't know, I might want to get 40 inches too. Oh, Okay, my mind is just everywhere. But I might want to try 40 inches because y'all know I'm a 40-inch girly. I'm going on a vacation soon and I want some bomb 40-inch deep wave hair, I think. But if you watch my videos, you know I just ordered that straight wig, 40 inches. So I don't know. I don't know if I should be responsible, keep the straight wig, or switch to deep wave. Yeah, I think this is actually really smart to do. Before you order 40 inches from a company, order just like a 26 inch or something, maybe like a 24, like just as a sample, so you know, like, okay, this is what to expect from this company. This is actually a better idea than I thought. And I'm happy that both of these vendors, the body wave wig I showed you all and this wig, also offer 40 inches. Okay, let me get my measuring tape and see how long this hair really is. So most AliExpress vendors tell you to measure from up here. So we're gonna start with measuring from up here. I'm going to hold the measuring tape right there. And let's see where the hair falls. So, oh, okay. We're getting about 26 inches when it's unstretched. Unstretched, 26 inches. So let's see what we get. When I stretched it, it did come to like 30 inches. But the way that makes the most sense to me is holding the measuring tape from the bottom. So that gives me about 22 inches unstretched, and when it's stretched, it's 26 inches. So I'm super happy. I hope the AliExpress vendors are switching from measuring the wig from the top to measuring at the back. Like, that makes the most sense. I am really happy with this wig. I think just like a medium length would be really cute to just toss over. Like, I feel like it will look a lot more natural. Super tight. So if you're ordering this wig hoping for water wave, it's not water wave. I would say this is more like a deep wave texture. Like, that's pretty curly. I would say this is pretty curly. This is super curly. I don't know if, so I like the hair. I like the wig, but I don't know about the texture. Of course, I'm gonna have to work with it a little bit. I gotta work with it some. But this is from WULALA. I don't know how to say their name here. I'm gonna show you all. Of course, it's gonna be in the title, but yeah, there it is. I'm not sure how to say that. They do have a 13 by 6, which I do really like. And their 40-inch wig is it's $300, you guys. They're 40-inch. So it is like a big jump from like the 30 to 40 is gonna be a big jump. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day.